Hey guys, he's not used to me talking. Today I would like to bring you a new iteration of the series, Unboxing with Dog. This is Sparky. He likes to bark a lot. He doesn't understand why I'm talking right now. I thought about doing this unboxing in the cat room, but it's like so chaotic in there and there's a lot going on. So we're gonna do Unboxing with Dog. Okay. Sparkles! Sparkles! Don't leave me! Shit, he left me. Okay. Bristol! Bristol! How about we do unboxing with Bristol too? Okay. Alright, so I have this package. This is from Gavin from Dynamic Inertia, but it also has stuff from Kyle. So we've been trying to pass around some more stuff so we can each review it on our channels. I do need a better knife. Ooh, this one is not that bad. I don't know where this knife came from. Cut away from your body. Gavin was so funny. He was like, I shipped it. And then he was like, okay, it's on its way. And then he was like, it's in your mailbox. Okay, you should have it. What the hell? Okay, I know that Kyle got a couple things from Metal Toys. What the hell? Hot Wheels? Oh, this thing's old. I think this is a play on my Hot Wheels video. Okay, so I'll have to ask him about that. What year is this from? What does it say? 94. 94? Holy shit. That's old. 30 years. I'm old. I'm old. Okay. So I know one of these is, okay, this one I already saw. Now I don't remember. I don't remember all of the names of these. I think this is a top D? Top F. I cheated. And it came with all of these different, oh God, there's like a paper clip in here. Tape, different balls. So I will say that I reviewed this one already. It came back to me from Kyle, so we passed it to Gavin. I will say I'm pretty impressed with this. Feels really good. Kyle said that he did mess around with some of these little things, and he said it didn't make that much of a difference. I'm kind of scared to open it. Okay, now this one I haven't seen. This is the new Top C. I'm kind of excited. I watched Gavin's video, and he said that it was heavy and that it was very, very clicky. I was really liking the style, even though he said he doesn't like the style because it's copper, and you know me, I'm a big copper fan. This is a different type of plate. I don't know. He said that this, oh, it's got a little bit of play in here, but I know that you can tighten it. Right? Okay. Look at that. How can you not like this? Top C. I actually sold my other Top C, and I kind of regret it. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Wow. Jeez. Dude, I'm liking it. It actually looks about the same as like the dough. No, the new, I wonder if it's this guy. The ball. The one that has the cyber balls and stuff in it that Topsy made. Ooh, I like it. I am going to turn the camera around, but I like it. Okay, what is this? Please say it's that one that I'm thinking of. Oh, no, it's not. It's just the stuff they're returning to me. Oh, I've missed it. Ah, my wrapped light that I passed around, and then my breakthrough slider. Ah, I missed these guys. Really cool, fun thing is I'm going to be getting some inserts shipped to me that should really change the way this thing looks and feels. So I'm really excited about that. What the fuck? Okay, there's something holding it together here. I feel like these guys mess with me. What am I supposed to? How am I supposed to do that? Oh, okay. Flip it around. Then, haha. Okay. Maybe they weren't messing with me. Maybe I'm just special. Oh, I had one of these. Oh my gosh. I had one of these and I sold it. This is by Lottie. I forgot what it was called, but this is actually pretty impressive. It's a wearable EDC, and it spins amazingly well. You're supposed to put, it's like a bead. You're supposed to put it on like a necklace. Feels really nice. This is the Zerk one. All right. That's probably from Osman. Oh, I think this is the mini. This is by Cap. God, this thing's heavy as fuck. Wow. This is nice. This reminds me of the other little mini one from Full Throttle Originals. Okay. I have reviewed this in the past, but I think I've reviewed a copper version. This is from 2 EDC, I think. 2R? What else is in here? This I've seen Gavin pass this around before. Another thing, this is like a desktop showpiece by Lottie. They made different, this is the pawn, they made different chess pieces. What is all this? There's a lot here. This is a spinner, okay. Wow, what is it? Oh my god, this is the, it's not Fidget Digits, it's Fidget Things. Oh man, I actually didn't know what this was in the photo when he sent it to me. It's the new spinner that he has that's also like a clicker type thing. Wow, and this is crystallized titanium? I don't know. Okay. So now, this thing is really cool. This is a pouch from, obviously, All Things Spinning. What is this? It's like we've got a grip. Oh. this is nice. Wow. I'm gonna have to look up the names of what these things are. Wow, this is nice. Holy shit. Okay. I could have sworn there were 3 balls with this thing, but this is what I've really wanted to see. This is another by, oh yeah, this is the Cyber Ball. I got it right. By Metal Toys. Most people did not like it. Don't worry, I'm going to turn it around. Roll, jump. They said that the moves are really hard to do. Ooh. I like the design though. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay, I went and I looked at Gavin's videos and I found the names of everything. Okay, so this is actually a tungsten mini collision by Cap. Actually quite nice. I like it. He describes it as a novelty. I like it. So these two are from 2EDC, 2R, EDC, 2R, Samuel. So this is the Nectar, and then this is the, God, I just had it. Shit. Why am I having a brain fart? So he's got Ultim buttons here, but there's metal buttons as well. So this is stainless steel. Feels really heavy. So these Ultim buttons are deep dish. I don't know if he had them made, but I'm probably with Gavin. I like the deep dish better, but this is what's supposed to come on it. Definitely changes the feel. A lot heavier as well. I wish he would have sent me the little robot man. You could pose him. I'm gonna have to get me one of those things. Also, I wanted to see one of those like little clicker things that are the Puffer Crash version, 3D printed version. This is very nice, actually. Very nice. Super round and great weight, great size. Feels great with the Ultim deep dish buttons. Very, very, very nice spinner. I'm very impressed with that. I like it a lot. Coracle. Ha! This looks like titanium. It's very nice. There's not a lot of haptic feedback. Feels good in your hand though. Very Worry Stone-ish. I would have liked a little bit more haptic feedback though. This thing, like I said, this thing rocks. The spin on it is amazing. It's got good feedback. But I love me anything that's like a wearable EDC. That thing is awesome. I think it's beautiful. This I've reviewed before. They call it a showpiece, like a desk fidget. Something that it's meant to be a conversation starter. Lottie, a lot of Lottie stuff is like that. Revolving around like poker and chess and that kind of thing. Gambling, like the roulette table thing that they have. But it's still really nice. Very, very well crafted. Very nice piece. It's not like something you would carry though. Once again, this thing is very nice. This is the Top F in Ultim. very pocketable, nice feedback. Feel like I can lose it though, but very well machined. It's a very nice piece, very nice. Okay, so this is from Fidget Things. So this is the Spinelic. I can't even pronounce it, but he's been making these for a while. I'm gonna open it up. I saw Gavin open his up on his channel. So basically everything is held together by magnets. Why is it not opening? Oh. Oh. I see. Oh. So these buttons don't come off. Do they? I think they do. Somehow. Oh. Oh, they don't screw. Yeah, this is what he meant by everything is held together by magnets. Wow, this thing is dirty though. This is one of the really big bearings. Let's show a frame of reference. I think this is a regular R188 bearing in here. Wow. I really like this little tungsten spinner. Thing's awesome, bro. Freaking love it. Okay, so there's magnets on these buttons to hold it in, and then you just place the button through the little hole and it perfectly holds it all together. It's pretty ingenious. So Gavin was saying that this is electro textured or something. Like, I guess it was put in anodized electrically. Bro, I'm a fucking idiot. I don't know, but it's really nice. But yeah, he has been making these for a long time, and there are quite a few different materials. I will have to say that Derek from Fidget Things, he's definitely got the vision, man. He has made some really cool stuff. So here's the question. It's a multi-fidget. Some people say that multi-fidgets, they just don't do any one thing perfect. Now, as a spinner, I like it. Gavin was talking about changing up the buttons, but I don't think that's feasible with this kind of design. It's a little hard to grip it all the time and turn it. When you're turning it, there's really not a lot of feedback. I like it. I don't know. I don't know if it's something that I feel like you have to hold it a certain way, otherwise your thumb is going to be touching the edges and slowing it down. So you really got to pinch it. Unlike something like this, so you don't have to pinch it. I can hold it any which way I want, and it's not going to mess with the spin. But that's what you kind of get with this kind of low profile. Spin's nice. I mean, let me see, does a table spin? Yeah. I mean, it's really pretty. I like it. I mean, oh shit, I just fucked it up. I don't know if I would buy it though. I like it though, but I wouldn't buy it. I don't know, when you're turning it like this, I feel like it kind of grinds together a little bit. But I do like if you don't do it all the way, the little snap it gives like that. That's pretty cool. But if you keep rotating it yourself, it doesn't snap as much. I mean, it is beautiful and it's well made. But, I mean, I think it kind of falls into the multi-fidget realm. Does two things reasonably well, but not amazing. Like, for instance, this thing is amazing as a spinner. Doesn't do anything else, but it's amazing. I mean, it feels amazing, but it's what it is. It's a spinner. You know, this feels great. It's a clicker. That's all it is. Okay, anyway, let's move on. So this baby right here, the top C. So you can see that it's kind of like the same industrial design as this one. I kind of like it. I like it a lot. If you could see when I'm turning the one end, it turns the face. That's how you open and close it. So if you want to tighten it, you have to hold your finger down and spin the other part. So I like it a lot. I really, really like it. Very satisfying. Feels good in the hand. I like it a lot. I might have to buy this off of Kyle. Plus, I mean, I'm a sucker for the copper. I love it. I love it. Gosh, I like it. Okay. Cyberball. I've been excited to try it. Oh, it's got patina. Now, everybody pretty much doesn't like it. These balls open up? I saw a couple of times where, like, the balls came unglued. Oh, look. Cyberball. You can buy extra balls, too. They had it in titanium as well, which is like a blue. So roll, jump. Now, what people were saying is that, like, no matter how you play with it, the balls, like, come off and fall on the floor. And also, Kyle was saying that he didn't like the sound it made. So you're supposed to jump it? Oh, shit. I felt like cheating. I feel like Happy Gilmore. Go into your home. It's your home. It's your home. Don't you want to go in your home? It's a shame that it's hard to use like this. I think the problem might be that the magnets on this side is not strong enough. Because it wants to hold onto the ball, the other ball. It shouldn't be more attracted to the ball than to the actual. And then also, I don't think that the magnet on this is as strong as here. Yeah, it's definitely weaker. So, like, if you try to flip it, you really have to get it in, otherwise it's not going to stay. Like, it won't suck the ball in. Like, if you put it right here, see? It should be stronger. Shouldn't have to just fall right in there. I just like the design. It's too bad it's shitty. Damn, I really thought I would like it. But I just decided not to buy it because I was like, I don't have the money. But for some reason, I ended up buying the Breakthrough and the Wrap Light, which were really, really great purchase. Yeah, I'll say that this is very, very hard to use. And I don't know why it does something like this. You can't even flip it up into that. Like, it should suck the ball in. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting it reasonably close. And it doesn't even... It's like you have to really, really get it. Perfect. Eh. Alright, let's sum it up. Definitely would not recommend. It's just not really usable. It's really a cool design. It feels amazing in your hand, but the magnet strength is not it. I wonder... Well, this part doesn't come out, does it? What's in here? Oh, like a Lanny? You could possibly open this part up and change the magnet strength, but I don't think you can do that here. Okay, so definitely I would say no. Okay. Pretty cool. I don't like the grindy feeling. I don't know. I like the look of it. I like the idea, but I don't really like the feel of when you're turning it. So I probably wouldn't like it. I'm sure that some people would. But I don't really like it. This thing is freaking awesome. I don't know why. It's tungsten, so it's super heavy. It's little. It's got these awesome little deep dish buttons. I don't know, it's so freaking fun. I just got up to let the dog in, and the one thing that I picked up was this thing. It's super fun. I love it, dude. I just like it a lot. It's tiny, it's heavy, feels amazing. I don't know, I like it. Okay, so that's a yes. Yes. This thing is a for sure yes. I want to try to buy it from Kyle. I love the design. I love the feedback. I mean, I miss my Top C that I sold, but I love it. I think it's great. Okay, so these are a definite yes. Yes. This is cool for what it is. It's not something you can put in your pocket. You can keep it on your desktop. So, you know, it's a showpiece. I mean, it's nice. It's definitely functional. It's nice to have. But it's not an EDC. This thing, definitely really cool. Especially if you like Ultim. Works really well. It's really nice. I would definitely recommend it. This thing I would for sure recommend. Pause? I forgot the name of this freaking thing, but it's cool. It's a bead that's it's got like a blasted Zerk. I love this thing. For sure recommend. For sure recommend. I love it. The nectar. Oh, it's heavy. Feels great with these deep dish Ultim buttons for sure. Takes it to the next level. Super smooth. Feels amazing. Like, you could walk around all day with this baby. This, I mean, it looks really nice. It works. It's really good if you need something silent that doesn't have feedback that you can use like in a meeting. But for me, like if I wanted something really silent, I would do this baby, a free floater that was silent. It's nice, but there's no feedback, so go into it as you will. This thing does come off. I don't know if I showed you. I mean, it's really well made. I just don't get a lot from it. I don't get a lot of like satisfaction from this. So I'll have to put it on the not for me section. So, yeah. That's about it. Oh, and where did you get this, Gavin? This thing's awesome. 94 Mattel. That thing's awesome, bro. Jeez. So that's it. That's it, folks. Let me give you a nice top down. Let's do a nice little group shot here. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching.